To make healthier skin, the makeup brush set is dirty with cosmetic residues dust after a period of use. There is a potential risk of bacterial growth inside the bristles. Therefore, your makeup brushes set need to be cleaned regularly. This makeup brush cleaning toolkit can help deep clean up to 99% and maintain the shape of the brush, which is used to improve the makeup effect. Fast Clean Dry, the electric cosmetic brush cleaner and dryer, automatic makeup brushes cleaner quick dry machine through high-speed rotation, can achieve fast deep cleaning and fast drying. Clean and dry in seconds, saving your cleaning makeup brushes time. 8 rubber collars suit for most of makeup brushes. -8 different sizes of rubber collars are included for different brushes, widely compatible with 95% makeup brushes in the market. Easy to use brush cleaner. 1 button control, clean and dry, 3 steps to easily use this electric makeup cleaner and dryer. 1. Attach the brush to the spinner. 2. Pour water and makeup brush cleaner liquid, makeup brush cleaner soap into the bowl. 3. Dip spin to clean, raise spin to dry. This automatic makeup brush cleaner will free your hands and save you much time. Needs 2 AAA batteries to operate, not included. For women who need makeup, this is a very good gift, holiday gift, or anniversary gift. Also, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Top reviews from the United States. Wow. Okay, first of all, it usually takes me months before I write a review, if I even do. I received this today. I just used it. Wow. It actually freaking works. And fast. Washes and dries in seconds. I thought I was going to need a drying rack. No, didn't need, and I purchased one at the same time, lol.